Mama, nagtatanong siya sa akin kung may sombrero.
This one is lava.
The floor is lava? Oh no!
Ground.
Where's Baby Roy? Where's your friend?
Kasi pag pumapasok ka siya,
Are you Spider-Man?
Direk yung locker, ano mo pag nakaisang buwan ka na ha.
Uy, ligtas na ako po yun.
Sabi ko nga,
Uubo 16 pa yun?
tandaan,
Uubo 16 pa.
bilangin mo lagi ang books mo ha.
Tsaka pag laki, ewan ko talaga. Yung pala akong laki na po.
Oo, sige na ginom ng tubig dyan, dyan nakalagay lang.
Wala, ano pala ako, stock party na lang.
It's lava.
Sa kanila eh. Tapos may makakatsurbahan yung lalaki nung bago siya ikasal. Tapos may sakit yung
What is your name? What is your name?
Sabi, what happened?
What is your name?
Papa.
What is your
Get in
name?
the ground.
My name is
Get in the ground.
Get in the Ground. Bon! Bon! What is your name? Raven Bon V. Raven Bon V.
What is your name?
What is your name? Mama said.
Meron na nga daw, kasi mga anak. Pero nakalaya na rin, no? No, Ate Bewa, no.
Hindi naman alam yung ano.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Can you refresh
What is your name?
29 years daw sa lawyer.
You don't know your name. Oh. Oh.
Ang pangalan niya, Raven Bon, Beth.
Apo.
Raven Bon.
Raven Bon V.
Ano ang Bon? B as in boy or
B-O-N.
B-O-N?
Ah, si Anka siya.